You are now watching a Lucky Penny Shop product feature.
Hey, it's Lucky Penny Shop. Thanks for stopping by. I do appreciate it very much. It is another Christmas 2024, depending on you're watching this video. It is the Oreo Hot Cocoa Mix gift set with 2 mugs, and it looks like it has 2. Well, it says on the bottom it includes 2 Oreo Hot Cocoa packets and 2 mugs. So I know I'm getting 2 packets and 2 mugs. Little confused because it looks like the same mug there, but then this is a different mug. Unless it's twisted around and it's the same mug, just one side has one thing and the other side has the other. I guess we'll never know till we get it out of the box. Item number 41226. Nutritional facts and information for those of you that like to study that. I'm guessing it's the same mug. I really don't know. Let's see. And there's boxes on the top. So what's in the box? Is it cocoa mix? Ah, okay. So yeah, that looks like it's a little bit smaller, flatter than a Jell-O box. If that's the kind of box I think it looks like. And the mugs are reversed, so we'll see. They're taped together though. Be careful. Be very, very careful. Okay. Ah, that's one side. And that's the other side. So it is the same mug. One side has an Oreo cookie with the word Oreo above it. They're blue, by the way, a very nice blue. And then the Oreo cookie's kind of splashing out of milk. And then the other side says Oreo twist, lick, dunk. So twist to open, then you have it open, you lick off the center, and then you dunk. I think that's what they're going for there. I do like the mugs, since I collect them. But let us see what is inside the packet boxes. This unit labeled for retail sale. Not labeled for retail sale. Contains milk, soy, and wheat. And where's the instructions? Ooh, my pot. Here? Is there instructions? Hopefully on the packet. Instructions. Mix 6 fluid ounces hot milk or water with 1 packet of Oreo cookies hot cocoa. Stir thoroughly and enjoy. Well, let's see. Let us, you got a good look at the mugs, right? Don't want to get that. Is that what I'm seeing here? It's together, then it's open, and it's back together. But it kind of looks like the center's still there. Now, if you're supposed to twist it open, lick the center, leave it licked, and then dink, and then dink it in. I don't have any Oreo cookies to dink, dunk, or lick. Either way, let me come back with some milk, get my pan, or my pot. I'll get this one out of the box while I'm here. Gonna have to make them both, right? And then I will be right back. Okay, so ounces. There's the 12 mark right there. Now, I'm not sure I want to do this with water, but you could do this with almond milk, coconut milk. Let's go a little bit more. Okay. Right above the line. Let's get these out of the way. Let's move this one a little closer. And let's get going here. We got to get this in. Let's get this to about medium. Now I get that to about 160. So I'll come back now. Let me grab some spoons. I'll come back and we'll keep checking the temperature. Okay, this is off on the side here. I'm just slowly doing it. I figured I'd give you a good time. Give me a good time to show you some of what I have in the collection. This is the Oreo Frankfurt set for Valentine's. It was 2 mugs with 2 mini cookie packs. So it doesn't look like a hot cocoa set either way. It was not. And then this is the Oreo milkshake kit, which I made on video. It's a neat little cup, plastic cup. And then here's just a stray mug from my collection. It says Oreo. Over 9.1 billion Oreo cookies are consumed each year. I was going to say day. It's like, ooh, that's a lot. Then it says, moo, please, no more milk. This one says, be so glad you're not a cow. 9 out of 10 households purchase Oreo cookies. Wow, that's a lot. I'm going to turn that up just a little. Then there was this set. It's the milk bottle and Oreo cookie set. $5. And the last set here is this one. This was the Oreo dunk set. It was a plastic side piece that hooked onto the mug, and then there was the little grabber like a tongs, an Oreo tongs. I think that's it within this area of my collection. There might be a few more stragglers. This looks like a Christmas set too, so maybe last year or the year before. I don't remember. Too many. All right, let me check the milk closely here. I'll get a temperature, and then we will continue on. Ooh, I smell the heat coming out of here. I just smell. Hopefully it's not burnt. No, not burnt on the bottom. Let's slide this over. It's very hot. Must be careful handling that. Okay, so there's no marshmallows in there, but it just does look like crushed up Oreos. It smells like Oreo. I think that's what it is. Let me look at that ingredients. Ingredients, sugar, cocoa, cookie crumbs. So it is. Maybe it's mixed in with a little of the hot chocolate. Ooh. Let's take our breakfast snack out. I think that's good. I was going to take a few more, but 3 is enough. Let's move this out of the way. Let us see. Let us pour. I think that's close. Ooh, it's steaming up my camera. Okay. Turn that off. Let us mix. Ooh, it's a really thick, dark chocolate. Let us get one floating. Okay. There's an Oreo cookie floating in one. I'm going to sip this one. Ooh, very rich. Very chocolatey. Well, let me see. Twist. Lick. Then put it back together and throw it in. Twist, lick. I am just going to eat. Forget all that extra work. I'm going to eat my Oreo cookie now. This has to be one of the richest, chocolatey, hot chocolates I've ever tried. Is it a hot chocolate or what is it? Hot cocoa, they call it. But look at the color. It's really dark. Good flavor. There's some... I wonder if the bottom of the mugs were still wet when I washed them. Well, generally speaking, I'd say it's probably one of the better of all the hot cocoa mixes I've tried on video. Maybe the best. I really do think, though, you should have Oreo cookies as you're trying it. Ooh, one more cookie to eat. Oh, this one's really soft. Here we go. Very nice gift set. Now, I got this at Woodman's, but I've seen it in other stores. It's a pretty common in regards to that. Anywhere where Frankfurt is sold, probably, you can get this set. And for Oreo fans, you can't beat it. All right, there you go. The Oreo Hot Cocoa Mix made with real Oreo cookie pieces. Very tasty. And thanks for watching, everybody. Later.
If you're looking for the item you just saw in the video, click here. Watch more videos by clicking here. Don't forget to share on social media and give a thumbs up.
Hey, LPS-Dave.
What's up, Butch?
Make sure they don't forget to subscribe.
Oh yeah, please click here to subscribe to Lucky Penny Shop. And always remember, when you see a lucky penny,
Pick it up.